Are you in favor of making medical records digital?
Yes, I'm in favor of making medical records digital. First and foremost, kasi mapopromote natin yung paperless work. Secondly, makikip safe natin yung medical history o mga records ng mga existing clients natin.
Okay, so do you think that the product could help the insurance company by attracting more customer or patient to the insured?
Um, sa tingin ko naman, it will attract more patient for the insurance company, and then magiging beneficial siya not only to the insurance company but also to the patient as well and the hospital. Sa patient kasi magiging hassle-free sa kanila, sa part nila, and then sa insurance company naman magiging beneficial siya kasi magkakaroon sila ng record or makikip track nila yung record ng client from the start na nagkaroon ng availment sa health card nila. And then sa case ng hospital, magiging less hassle siya or yung sa time nila. So, less time consuming yung magiging procedure nila kasi mabilis na nga yung pag-retrieve ng record ni patient.
Okay, so question number 3. Do you think that your customer or patient is in favor with the system?
Kung ako naman yung, let's say, ako yung patient din, syempre magiging in favor siya sa akin kasi unang-una, magiging less hassle siya sa akin. Secondly, yung time na makukonsume nito. Kasi pansin natin during consultation, medyo mahaba yung proseso kung puro paper lang, di ba, pa ng record ng papers. So, unlike kapag nasa database na siya, so i-type lang natin name ni patient, okay, nalalabas na yung record niya.
Okay, thank you. So, do you view this product as an added benefit for the insured patient?
Yes, added benefit siya syempre kasi nga unang-una yung magiging komportable na sila, and then secondly yung sa process flow ng consultation nila, magiging magiging medyo mas mabilis na siya. So si patient sa part niya hindi na siya stress pa or kumbaga maiinis pa sa sobrang tagal nga ng procedure kapag dumadating sa hospital. Syempre, dami pang interviews and all. So, if naging possible tong database na to, medyo malilesen yung process flow natin.
Okay, thank you. So, do you think the insurance company could attract more doctors to be member of your insurance company because of this product?
For sure, if this system would be possible or gagawin ngayon, madaming doctors yung magiging member ng insurance company or madaming doctors ang papayag na maging accredited ng insurance company dito. Kasi we all know na yung doctors yung schedule nila and then sa consultation nga nila, parang precious yung time sa kanila. So with this database, magiging na yun, yung time na consume nila, mas makakatipid sila. And then yung time na magsusulat pa sila, so alam naman natin na yung doctors medyo tamad magsulat. So at least, medyo malilesen na yung time na yon. Plus, aside from that, yung records nga, mapapreserve natin siya, and then matatago talaga natin siya sa medical records.
So will you propose this type of system to your company?
Yes, of course. Ipopropose ko siya kasi na siya, kumbaga talagang ito na yung parang pinaka-convenient sa lahat. So hindi na natin pwedeng hindi na tayo kailangan mag-retrieve ng records natin through papers.